good to see you. So today we have a core workout. So हम core workout करेंगे. For last few weeks on the FNF we have been showing you with home workouts, core workouts, stretching. So we just want to go with the flow so that we know why it is so important to exercise, and at the same time why core is so important. So as I always speak and I have said in the past that core is the part which connects your upper body to the lower body. So it is very important to have strong strength because it helps you with the right posture. Otherwise, when the core is weak, we go down, we sludge, right? So that is why core is so important, which actually holds your top and the bottom with the right, the center middle area. So today we are going to do 4 exercises, and the first one is saw plank. So always before doing any sort of exercise, it's very important to do a head to toe complete warm up so that your joints and your body is warmed up and your joints are ready to move, and so that there is no cramping or any jerks which you would encounter during an exercise. So पहले हम saw plank करेंगे. It's saw plank. So saw is wherein you know how you move the saw. Up, it's ahead, backwards, forward, backwards, forward, backward. The same way we'll move our body that way. So how you really do is you go on a plank position. That's an elbow plank, and you go on your toes, alright, and you move like a saw. So what you're really doing is only moving you're on your toes and you're moving your body through your toes, and the plank position remains the same. Forward, backward, forward, backward, forward, backward, forward, backward. So you can do this, and I'll just show you the toe position again. So if you see my toe, I'm on my toes and I'm in a plank position, and I'm just moving ahead with my toe, forward, backward. So this is what you do with your toe. So the entire movement of this exercise is on the toe, and you move your body ahead and behind, ahead and behind. So in one particular set you can try and do 10 to 20 repetitions, and accordingly you can keep on adding the number of sets. So this will help you to have a stronger core, and you would really feel the core moving from top stepwise, and it goes down to the abdomen. So it is not necessary that you start feeling the core movement right on your abdomen area. It starts from top, so stage wise. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As the sets keep on increasing, the pressure keeps on building and increasing. So now the next one is plank twisters. So plank twisters is again we go down to the elbow position, do an elbow plank and side twist, 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 twist. Alright, elbow plank and just twist. So you're trying to touch the sides on the ground. Alright, keep moving. At times it can happen that you are not able to reach the ground on the side. That's completely fine, that's okay. Just try and twist as much you can, and once you do, as you keep on doing it, then gradually you will be able to reach to the ground in the coming days. And that's okay if you do not reach the ground on the first day itself. So make sure that you keep on moving the body sideways, sideways, sideways. In case you feel it's too difficult for you, you turn on one side, come back, hold, then go on the side. Hold, then go back. So now the third one is it's a standing exercise. So when you take your hand up on your head and you move your elbow to the knee, elbow to the knee, elbow to the knee. So what you're really doing is you're getting your elbow, the upper body and your lower body right in the center at the core area. So if you see, we are meeting at the center. So it's not that I am reaching down or I'm getting my knee higher. No, I'm meeting at the center. So I'm getting my top body and my lower body right in the center. and it's an alternate one. Alternate leg, hand, so right elbow, left knee, left elbow, right knee. So this is again a very good exercise. All these exercises, what you really need to do is you can do 10 repetitions to 20, and if you can do more than 20 in one set, that's completely fine. Please go ahead. But make sure that you start off slowly, 10, 20, 30, and then keep on adding the sets. The fourth and the last one is plank in and out runners. So what you do is you go on a push-up position and you take your leg ahead, in and out. You take it in and out, in and out. So I'll show you in this pattern. Alright, so it's a push-up plank, in and out, in and out. And this is very important that the placement of your hand is right under your shoulder, okay, and not ahead or behind. It's right under your shoulder. You see, the shoulder and my hand is right in line. So in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. Another secret to having a good core is it's not about the repetitions, because what we really try and do is we try and do it so fast. I need to reach 20, I need to reach 30. So you always want to move, you're doing it very fast. No, you need to do it very slowly. Slow movements you have, the more effective and stronger core it will become. So make sure that you're doing it smoothly, slowly, and not in haste. It's not about the count or the number of repetitions you're doing. It's all about you doing it right. It's okay if the repetitions are lower and if you do less repetition. It is very important to do it right. Even if you do 10 right, is equivalent to a 30-40 wrong repetitions. So make sure that you're doing it right and impacting your core, engaging your core more to have a better core. So this would be it. These are 4 exercises which you can try over this week. You can incorporate them on day-to-day basis, or pick one, do that for one day, second on the second day, third on the third, fourth on the fourth, or do it all together. It's completely your call. And also, if you have not registered for the FNF virtual race, which is happening on 20th February, please do see the link in the comment section. Click on the link and it will route you to the website wherein you can register for the race. And we would love to see you on the race day for the virtual run, as we are giving out free physical metal medals which will be couriered to your address, and free nutrition along with that. So please do register and see you on the race day, and thank you so much for being engaged with me to get your core workout done. Thank you.